Try to do an interview with the driver while it's going? That would be impressive.
Hannah the Killer Montana from Council Bluffs, Iowa. Eric, I don't want to ride in that limo.
Just in the back.
Not even in the back, buddy. I got a feeling she's doing something we don't want to be in the car to do.
All right. It's a limo.
Maybe.
What can a limo do?
Eric, she's going to the inside. There's 2 cars in the middle. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Oh, no! Holy cow!
How did we choked?
I think I was going to have a heart attack.
Everybody check your pulse. And that's a whole nother thing. Check your shorts too.
Did you like that Rockford Speedway?
Wow! Well, that's one way to unbalance a car that's being balanced by another car. Whoa! Woo! And the driver is okay! Wow! I think my heart stopped for a second.
Look at the rear end of this car, Eric. Oh, my. All right. Wow. I'm glad I wasn't in that limo. And she is okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Hannah the Killer Montana. From Council Bluffs, Iowa. Hannah, I have never seen anything like this before. Have you ever done anything like this before?
No, I have not.
What made you decide to do it, if I could ask?
I'm easily persuaded, and I'm Mania.
How did you feel when you were getting ready to hit the cars? What was in your mind? Please keep it clean.
Just hit it straight on. I don't know.
Are you willing to do something like this again?
Oh, yeah.
Outstanding. Hannah, do you have anybody you'd like to thank?
Danger.
Is this Dr. Danger next to me? I don't ever want to be a patient, Dr. Danger. I'm staying away from you.
All right, everybody, check it out. This car had absolutely no brakes, absolutely none. So she had to nurse it around the track and line it up. I think she did a great job. What do you guys think? Rockford, Illinois, we love you. We're coming back with another one.
Dr. Danger, where are you from? Tell everybody how far you came from.
I'm from Rockford, Illinois. No. No, I'm from Austin, Texas, and we tour the country all year long, crashing and burning, and we have a really good time. Dave Deary, thanks for bringing us. You've been bringing us for a lot of years. We worked at your track in Tucson, and we absolutely love this place. This is our 30th year anniversary, baby.
Heck yeah, congrats. And you haven't even done your stunt tonight. We don't even know what you're doing, and you're hyping us up already. Once again, let's hear it for Hannah the Killer Montana.